So those of you into automation, this next video is going to go over n8n or Knighton AI, probably one of the better automation tools out there. So just a quick video on that. Check back here in a second.
You know that feeling when you're copying data between 5 different tools for the 100th time this week? Yeah, that stops now. Meet Knighton AI, the automation platform that's about to become your new best friend. While other tools make you jump through hoops just to connect 2 apps, Knighton AI actually understands what you're trying to accomplish. Here's the thing, it's not just another workflow builder. Knighton AI uses artificial intelligence to suggest automations, fix broken workflows, and even write custom code when you need it. It's like having a senior developer on your team who never sleeps and never gets tired of debugging. The best part, you can self-host it, so your data stays exactly where you want it. No more vendor lock-in, no more privacy headaches, no more, sorry we don't integrate with that obscure API you actually need. Whether you're connecting databases, processing webhooks, or building complex multi-step workflows, Knighton AI handles the tedious stuff while you focus on architecture and strategy. Once you see how effortlessly it connects your entire tech stack, you'll realize this isn't just nice to have, it's absolutely essential.
So there you have it, n8n or Knighton AI. If you're looking for something for no-code, low-code automation, it is definitely the tool to use. I would definitely recommend it and give it a try. It does amazing things, and we're connecting different applications and different flows. Give it a roll and see what happens. Till next time, peace.